What's up, guys? So today basically I'm not posting a ride video. I'm just gonna do like kind of like a bike check, kind of the specs of my bike. So right off the bat, you can already tell, I mean, the brand name is like right on it. It's a Norco Revolver 9XX. It's a Canadian bike. It has the Canadian symbol back there. And so also another thing you can tell is I have mix match grips. It's from the same handlebar company. It's ESI. They're all chewed up because, like, you know, my races. But basically I have a red and then a black. And then the second thing is I have these little things. I think they're called togs. I basically use them to like wrap my hand around them, and so like I can get into like a more aerodynamic position. My seat post is interesting. It's a I think it's a reverb. It's like a suspension. So basically, like, this thing can like get pushed down, and here's the button for that. And the suspension fork is also pretty weird. It's a RockShox RS1, and so the difference between that and a regular fork is that it's like upside down, if you will. Like, the suspension's right here, so like it goes down like this. And there's a lockout for that one, I believe, as well. This is for the seat, and this one's for the fork to lock it out. And this lockout controls two of them. It controls the fork, and then it controls the back suspension. You can see the joints here, pretty well made. I have no complaints with this bike. This, I believe, is a Monarch XX rear suspension. So yeah, that's basically the frame part of it. This is, if you want to know, it's a 3T carbon stem. Mostly all of this bike is carbon. Even the wheels. The wheels are DT Swiss XRC 1200, and I always stick with Schwalbe tires. It's a pretty good brand. I know other people use like Maxxis or whatever. And so for my drivetrain, I'm running a SRAM XX1 Eagle. I don't know what chain I'm using currently, but I'm probably gonna swap it out because it's already getting old. This one also is a SRAM XO1 cassette. I'm not sure the exact tooth. And so another weird, like, different thing about this bike is I swapped out it used to be a circle. It was like a circle ring, but this one is an oval ring. I don't know what company makes this, I forgot, but swapped it out for an oval ring, so it's like oval. Here, this is a Race Face Next SL crank. It's all like paint already came off from my foot rubbing against it. And then my clip, I use Shimano XTR clips with the shoes. So, oh, and this one is, I really don't know what brand the carbon, this is carbon seat. I don't know what brand it is, but yeah, this is RockShox as well. The suspension is, so basically suspension RockShox, drivetrain is the SRAM. So SRAM XX1 and then SRAM XO1. And the only thing Shimano on here is, I don't know if the chain is, but definitely the pedal, XTR pedal. And I like the new tires from Schwalbe, because this one, they made a blue and a red one. The blue, I think it's more grip, and then the red is like a faster compound, if you will. And another beautiful thing about this bike is it has internal cable routing, so it goes into it, so you don't have to like worry about the outside of it. And then also, I love the paint on the underside of the bike. I think this is a really well made bike. It's pretty good. The same on the other side. And personally chose this bike because it was pretty affordable, and it's my favorite you know, red tends to be my favorite color. What does that say? Norco high what? High module carbon. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So that's basically it. I think for my next vid, I'll probably do like a gear check. But for now, I just wanted to do a tiny bike check. Once again. Just got the whole color combo going on. Anyways, I think this is gonna be it. See y'all in the next video.